Welcome students. In this experiment we are going to see the effect of tilt angle of the PV panel on the power output. So this is the PV panel and this is the controller unit. In this controller unit you can note down the current, voltage and what is the module temperature. In this the halogen lights are used to produce artificial light. So this light on falling upon the solar PV panel produces appropriate voltage. This voltage is measured in the controller unit. First we will see how the connection to the PV panel is given. So these are the two solar PV panels. These panels can be adjustable using a lever on this side. So you are having a lever here. So using this lever you can change the angle of the PV panel. There are two halogen lights. So these two are halogen lights. The lights are switched on, and using a solar power meter you can measure the intensity of solar radiation. So this is a solar power meter. So the sensor is placed above the PV panel, and from this you can read what is the intensity in watt per meter square. So it comes around 490, 533 or 540. So the intensity comes around 400 watt per meter square approximate. So you have to note what is the intensity of radiation. Next you have to give the connections in the main controller. So this is the main controller. This is the main controller. These two wires from the PV panel are connected to the back side of the main controller unit. So there are two panels. Here is the output from one panel and this one is the output from the second panel. So two panels. So this is the output from one panel and this is the output from second panel. Next the power to this main controller is given and the switch is on. So you are having a thermocouple. So this is the thermocouple. It is used to measure the temperature of the PV panel. So first from module current to module output. From output to pot meter. From pot meter to module current minus, see, module current plus to module output plus then negative of module output to negative of pot meter, then the positive of pot meter connection is given to the negative of module current. Then to measure the voltage, plus connected to plus and negative connected to negative. So this is the connection. Now you have to note what is the module temperature, module current and module voltage. Keep at a particular position this pot meter. So this will change the resistance of the circuit. Throughout the experiment, don't change this resistance value. Next, what you have to do is you have to change the angle. So for this set of this angle, note down what is the module temperature, what is the module current and what is the module voltage. When you multiply this current and voltage, you will be getting what is the power output. So this is the first reading. Then for the second reading, you have to adjust the lever and change the angle. Now the angle has been changed. This angle has to be noted down and correspondingly note down what is the temperature, current and voltage. Similarly, for each angle you can measure these three values. So this is one set of readings. Similarly, for the second set of readings, you have to change the resistance here in the pot meter. By changing the resistance, you are keeping to the next resistance value, and again the second tabular column once again you have to repeat the various tilt angles. So this is how the experiment is conducted, and by noting down the current, voltage, you can draw the characteristics curves. Thank you.